my tidbits stolen.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're out here looking for tidbits, which are little data loggers in the stream. Trying to remember from a year ago where we were. So, not with a lot of success at the moment. The GPS points have disappeared as they are wont to do. Just a little field day here up in the woods. Why is it that I like to smoke a pipe when I'm out in the woods, John? I don't know. It just feels right.
It's a return to nature of some sort.
The smell of a forest fire bringing it with you.
It's the smell of surviving one.
Ah, ah. A little Brian Doran that fits under the brim of my hat. It's supposed to be rainier, but it's really not. So you're sure that this is just the stretch that you place those tidbits?
Well, between the brush there and the
Brush down there, because it got a little thick farther south too. Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
All right.
I
Well.
mean, it's got to be in this stretch somewhere if it's still here.
Okay.
It's not impossible that a creature pulled it out and decided to play games with it.
Ate it and shat it somewhere on a hillside.
Or just kind of tossed it around because it had that cool ribbon on it.
True, yeah.
Raccoons and bear cubs would be prime culprits.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if otters wind up here much.
River otters, probably.
But yeah, there's somebody with their nose in the stream. That little bit of flagging would be noteworthy.
Catch their
which
curious
argues
eye.
against the ostentatious.
Really? Yeah, I like these Brian Duran pipes because they're so sturdy and they're so short and stubby that yeah, it's raining a little bit. It kind of fits under your hat, and not many pipes will do that. So yeah, these woods are not often traveled. Here's a burned out cedar stump from probably the first logging. And there's where somebody has harvested some cedar for cultural purposes. It's not, and the Spanish moss hanging from the branches. This isn't really like the Olympic Peninsula, but it's getting there. So we'll see if we can't find those tidbits. They collect like a year of data, of stream temperature data to see if there are any trends that would be bad for salmon. So I consider this just one of the perks of my job. It's being able to come out here. But note to self, next year we will be more diligent or duplicative in capturing GPS points, and mark them better with some flagging. It's important. So, next day I'm just finishing up this bowl. It's not very big in diameter, but it's pretty deep. So I didn't have a chance to finish before we got back to the office. It's a remarkable little pipe, you know. I find that I love it. Duran, USA, 2015. Thanks, Brian. Love your pipes. And it's an acrylic bit, which I like. Nice and wide saddle bit. Get this going here. I'm just home for lunch. So I wanted to show you this Tamper from Mark in Bremen. What a work of art, you know. Dr. EMEF's Original Pipe Tools. It's a Morta Tamper. Every piece is unique, handcrafted from the finest and most carefully selected woods of Europe, Africa, and Asia, driven by the idea of creating a tool even as simple as functional and elegant from the most natural material. An instrument expressing the character of the pipe smoker. Not sure what my character would be. This particular pipe tamper was made of bog oak, buried in a peat bog for thousands of years. It was designed and handcrafted to combine the natural history of the great forests and the enjoyment of fine tobaccos. Serial number 172. Wow, serial numbered. Amazing. So a little note here. Hey Tom, here's something I wanted to send you for quite a while. Just take it as a sign of appreciation and gratitude for the inspiration your videos gave me and many of the presenters. You know, I do this so I can have a smoke with y'all, right? So, I really don't have an agenda about it. In fact, I feel guilty for not, like, revisiting videos and maybe commenting more on people's comments. I know you normally use your fingers to tamp, yes, like I do too very often. But these, and it gets kind of smudgy. But these, there may be occasions when a tamper may be more appropriate. A little ash blowing out there. Just hope you like the shape. Take care, my friend, and be well. Mark in Bremen. I so do not deserve this stuff, man. So do not, and I'm going to show it in a second. Meanwhile, I'm having a cup of coffee in this great little handmade mug by Dan Squires down in Portland. I love it. You know, I just love the colors. I love the shape. It says decaf. I have limited my coffee inputs and kind of switched to green tea, which is really boring, if you ask me. But the coffee was, even if I quit at noon, it keeps me up at night, so can't have that. So, the Tamper. So thank you, Dan Squires, for that mug. That is 2 thumbs up, awesome. It just is, feels right. I'm enjoying it very much every morning. Nice little aluminum, probably a cigar tube, right? There it is. Bog oak. Wow. It's like medieval. Wow. Oh my gosh. That grain is beautiful. It is oak like grain. I don't know, Mark, if you stained that, but that is just Just amazing. And this, don't for try out, as my mother would say, and yours too probably. Wow. It's a work of art, Mark. Too cool. But you know, I'll probably still use my fingers. Just because I don't take a temper with me, you know. I guess you just get in the habit that you take a pipe, you take some tobacco, you take some pipe cleaners, and you take a lighter or matches. And I guess you would just add to that a tamper. But this is kind of too nice to take out in the field and, you know, fall over a log and right through the heart. But or break it, you know, that would be a crime, because that is so beautiful. Wow. So thanks, guys. Totally awesome, as they say, or is that now an old-fashioned term? What's replaced it? I don't know. I'm not with it in that way. Anyway, the rain stopped for a while. Yay! Yeah. I've got a meeting shortly after noon, so I got to get back. But great day to have a smoke and feel extremely appreciative. It's just too cool. And I have met Dan, I have never met Mark. But I feel like I know him, you know, from watching his videos. So, that's how this thing works, I guess.